Welcome to Vertical Movement PT. I'm Dr. Cindy Kimmi, physical therapist, and today my special guest is my husband.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
And we're going to learn how to use compression cups to help relieve knee pain. All right, let's get started. Here we have my display of different sizes of the compression cups from the largest to the smallest. And another type of compression cup would be the ones that you've probably seen in the Olympics, where you see the little blue circles on the swimmer's back. That one is used more with like a pump mechanism to help with the pressure. But these ones are just simple cups that I like to use for fascial release and soft tissue mobilization. So we're going to go ahead and use the second to biggest size here to help release the muscle tension and the fascia restrictions of the quadriceps muscle. And this is important, especially when you have knee pain due to patellofemoral syndrome. So that's when the kneecap, also known as the patella, is compressing down on the joint. So by releasing the fascial restrictions of the quadriceps muscle, you can relieve the tension that the kneecap is pushing down on the joint. So you're going to go ahead and grab some sort of lotion. Here we have Vaseline, soothing hydration, non-greasy. And you're going to go ahead, put it on the surface that you're going to work on. You also want to put some of the lotion on around the rim of the compression cup. Then you're going to go ahead, push out all of the air, put it on the surface, and then let go. What you're going to find is that the skin and the soft tissue underneath is going to get sucked up into the cup. So you can test it out, pull up on the cup to see if it's lifting and it doesn't pop up. And once you get a good compression here, you're going to go ahead and slide it down the quadriceps muscle. So starting from the top of the thigh and going down to right above the patella. All right. And also what you could do, if you have a spot that you find is kind of sore, you can go ahead and stay on that spot and lift up and kind of do little circles and also clockwise circles. Also, you can use these compression cups to help release the IT band if there's stiffness here. So you're going to go ahead, make sure that there's still some lotion there, put it on the area, and same thing, push down, release the air, stick it on the surface, and let go. Okay, so pull on the compression cup to make sure it's still there, and you can go ahead and lift up and slide. So pretty much this is picking up the skin, picking up the fascia, the tissue, and releasing any adhesions that might be sticking to the IT band, to the femur, or to other tissues. You can also use the compression cup to help relieve pressure in the knee joint directly. So what you're going to do, make sure that there's a lotion there. You're going to place it right on top of the patella. So this one might be a little too small. I actually think you have big kneecaps. So you're going to go ahead and put this directly over the patella. And just make sure you do not push the patella down, because that would be very painful, especially if you do have patellofemoral syndrome. So go ahead and put that down, release, and it should suck up that patella. So what this is going to do, it's going to help release the pressure in the knee joint from lifting up that patella. And it's going to just give that knee joint a little bit more space to breathe and help to reduce that inflammation that's going on in there. So what you can also do, because the patella, it's supposed to move in 3 different directions. It's supposed to move up and down, so superior and inferior, and it's also supposed to glide side to side. So you can go from outside, so that's lateral, to inside medial, and it's also supposed to tilt. So you can kind of like tilt it to the side here and tilt it to the side there. So these are different movements you can work on, but the goal is to just get that kneecap moving in all directions evenly, and that's going to help with your overall movement when you're running, walking, going upstairs, and jumping. And there you have it. Now you know some tips and tricks of how to use compression cups to help reduce knee pain and the fascia restrictions along your thigh. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it's not too late. You can click the button below. But alright, I will catch you next time. Peace.